Many people think overthinking is just a bad habit, but it's actually a sign of how deeply someone feels and understands the world. Overthinkers notice every little detail, the tone in someone's voice, a small change in behavior, or a simple word that most people would ignore. They care too much, and that's what makes their minds run endlessly. They often replay past conversations in their heads, wondering if they said something wrong or if someone got hurt because of their words. Overthinkers usually appear quiet, but inside their minds are full of thoughts and what-ifs. They don't like arguments or drama, they just want peace. When they stay silent, it's not because they have nothing to say, but because they have too much to think about. Most of them imagine every possible outcome before making a single decision. That's why they take time to trust, to speak, or to act. Sometimes people misunderstand overthinkers as cold or distant, but the truth is they care the most. They just don't want to be hurt again. They remember every little thing that once broke them, and that memory keeps them cautious. Overthinkers are also very creative and intelligent. Their minds can see patterns and connections others miss. But this same creativity makes them imagine problems that don't even exist yet. Late at night, their thoughts are loudest. They think about what they said, what they didn't say, and what they wish they could change. Music often helps them calm their minds, as it gives words to what they feel but can't express. Deep down, all overthinkers want is someone who understands them without judgment, someone who brings peace to their restless mind. So, if you are an overthinker, remember, your sensitivity is not your weakness, it's your strength. You just need to protect your peace and focus your thoughts on things that truly matter. Welcome to Daily Fact Dose, your moment of calm, reflection, and real-life wisdom. Subscribe now and take your daily dose of truth with us.